You'll be left to walk this world alone. You should know I'm never coming home. Held my tongue and I waited my turn. Now it's fuck this world, I'ma let it all me hoping. Branded inside my misery. Fucked with my head, now I can't sleep. I stitched my wounds, yours are open. And now that my heart is frozen, I just know what I've been told. And all my life I thought I know. So I'll break down my walls, and after they all fall, got me playing with my fate on a tightrope. Been a pawn in the game too long. I'd be damned if I sat around and waited for my time, no. I could never lie low. Out of my mind, out of my kind, my own rival. That's the only damn motto with me through life. And the blame on the same shit, a spiral. I've been ahead of this shit, put every head on my list. If I don't like you, turn to a kaiju, cause shit's one hell of a gift. Y'all just keep making me sick. Still got no rhyme and no reason. Tried to turn me to a demon, got nobody to believe in. I just might lose my mind. I don't got much more time, I can feel it. Everybody watch while I take what's mine. I'ma take you off for a ride, yeah, I need it. Someday you'll learn, fuck what you heard. You're just a herd, shit is absurd. Nothing to earn, you're not concerned. Give you my word, you're gonna burn. You're gonna burn. You'll be left to walk this world alone.